Hi guys, welcome to Tales and Tips Africa. My name is Jenny and it's great to have you here. So today guys, we are talking about protecting your images and branding with watermarks. Okay, so today's tutorial is going to be all about how to add watermarks to your image or images using Watermarkly. So whether you're a photographer, an influencer, or a business owner, watermarking your images is crucial to maintain your ownership and promote your brand. Okay, and guess what, guys? It is super easy using Watermarkly. Okay, so let's dive in. So guys, to add watermark to your image or images using Watermarkly, first you have to go to your Chrome browser and type watermarkly.com, or you just type Watermarkly. Then click on Watermarkly, watermark photos online for free. Click on it. Then once you get to this page, scroll down and click on watermark photos for free. Okay, so here this is where you select the images you want to watermark. Okay, so click on select files. You can select the files from your computer, Google Drive, Google Photos, Dropbox, web link. So the files I want to use here are in my computer, so I'm going to click from my computer. Okay, so I'm going to my desktop to select the files. Okay, this is one of them, so I'm selecting this one. I'm scrolling down to select another one. Okay, let me go up. Second file. Okay, let me select this. So you can select as many files as you want. You can select up to 50,000 images to watermark. Okay, so I just selected two. All right, so these two images are what I'm working with today. So after selecting the two images, you can select more files by clicking add files, but if you are okay with the files you selected, you can just click on next. Okay, so the first option here is to start from scratch. The second one is to load previous templates. So if you have created a watermark, or if you have uh, watermarked an image before and you still want to use the text or the logo that you used to watermark that image, then you can click on any of these, which are the previous ones I've used. Okay, but if you want to start from scratch, if you want to create a new one, you just click on add text, or you can click on add logo. Okay, let me go back and show you something. When you click on next, so you have add text here. You can decide to add text, or you can decide to add logo. If you click on add logo, this is what will come out. So you have to select the logo from your computer if you already have an existing logo. But if you don't have an existing logo, then you can select from the gallery. That is the Watermarkly gallery. They have up to, I think they have like 100 or so or more logos that you can select from. Okay, but what I want to use today is text. So I'm teaching you this tutorial. I'm going to use text to show you how to watermark your image. So once you click on add text, this will come out. So this is where you set the properties, or you customize the text you want to use as your watermark. So now this is where you input the text. So let me use the name of my channel, my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm using Tales and Tips Africa and Tips Africa. Okay, once you put the name, you can change the font. choose any font you like. They have a number of fonts here that you can choose from, so many of them you can choose from. Okay, so let me choose Eagle Lake. Okay, then choose color. What color do you want it to? If you don't like the white that is there, you can choose any color. You can decide to choose purple, lilac, any color you want. Okay, now I'm going to use ash color or gray color to do this. Okay, or let me use black so that it will be, you can see it very well. You see what I'm doing? Okay, then change the size as well. If it's too big, you can decide to change the size. This is where you adjust the size. Okay, so let me leave it at this size. Then this is where you change the tile. If you want just one watermark like you're seeing on the picture now, you can leave it here. But if you don't want one, if you want it to cover the whole image, you can click on this other one. Okay, so you can see how it's looking. Let me show you how it's looking. See how it's looking? You have it's styled. You have so many watermarks on the image. Okay, but if you don't want it to look like that, you can still decide to choose this one so that it looks like this. Then you can change the spacing. The spacing means if you want so many of it on the image, or probably you want it to like be scanty on the image, not covering the whole image, then this is where you change opacity. Okay, but I'm not going to change this right now. I want to leave it till I'm done with every other thing, then I can change it so that you see the text on the image and how it's changing with the properties and everything. Okay, so you can decide to rotate it. You can rotate to the clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, so I'm leaving it at 17 degrees. Okay, all right, so the next one is effect. Okay, you have so many effects here. You can choose any of them. Just experiment with all of them and know the one you want. So that's it. Now I can change opacity to, one tip with this is you need this your watermark, the text, or whether it's text or logo, you need it to be semi-transparent. It will make it look more professional. So this is where you change opacity. You don't want the text to be so obvious so that it doesn't cover the image or any part of the image. You want it to be semi-transparent so that the image will still look the way it is without any coverage. So after this, we are done. If you want to change anything, assuming this goes out, the properties section goes out, and you want to adjust something, you can just click on the text, on any of the text there. You can click on this one or this one. You can just click on any of them and this will appear again and you make your changes. So after this, if you are okay with your changes, if you are okay with the way the watermark is looking and everything, then you just go here and click on next. Okay, so now this is the format. If you want the file format to be the original format, which is what is on the screen, then you can leave it at that. But I like changing it to PNG, where you have maximum quality, large file size, which is the con, but it's still okay. So I'm choosing PNG. Then if you want to change the size, you can change the size here. You can change width, you can change height, but I'm leaving it at the normal size. Then if you want to check the image, you can click on preview and adjust. When you click on preview and adjust, it will show you the whole images you watermarked. so that you check them out and see if they are okay. So you just preview your image here. So you can see the watermark is showing on the second image. Even if you have like 10,000 images, it will still show. So that's one advantage with this Watermarkly. It allows you to watermark so many images at a time without having to do them one after the other. So once you are done previewing and adjusting the image, you can just click on done, then click on add watermark. Okay, so see the two images we just watermarked. So once you click on download all, it will download all the images. Okay, to download it to your system and you can view them there. Okay, so we already previewed our images. We can just decide to like take them to the desktop, or you can save them wherever you want, or you can send them wherever you want. So that is it, guys. And there you have it, guys. So please, if you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips like this. Then comment below and let me know what watermarking tips you use or what topics you'd like to see next. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.